Hello. This is Joanna with your message of the day from Pep Inspire Incorporated. It is important to understand and address the cause of your depression. Visit our website at pepinspire.com and access the lectures on Safeguarding the Mind Against Depression by Barbara O'Neill. You can also find her on YouTube and watch her lecture, Life at its Best 2, Safeguarding the Mind Against Depression. You will learn what you can do to treat your depression. Take a shower, wash off the day. Drink a glass of water. Make the room dark, lie down and close your eyes. Notice the silence. Notice your heart. Still beating. Still fighting. You made it after all. You made it another day. And you can make it one more time. You're doing just fine.